Good morning, students. Kindly mute yourself. Good morning, all of you. Students, is my voice audible to all of you? That's good. Yesterday, all of you have checked your snap homework. Have you all checked? I have given the notes. Have you all seen? Have you copied down the notes? You can. No, I have sent. First, check your snap homework. I have given all the rules. I have given all the rules and one example also. Have you seen? Just a minute, students. All of you take out that notes. Only 39 participants. Why? Very few students. Now, all of you take out that note quickly. Yourself. Students, mute yourself and take out the notes which I have given you yesterday. My voice is very low. No? Uh, Now it is audible. Ashwik Pranjal of 60. Ashwik Pranjal. Ashwik Pranjal of 60, kindly mute yourself. All the students mute yourself. Gyanendra Kumar Singh, Deepa Pandey, Kumari Nitya, Prateek, all of you mute yourself. Nitya, mute yourself. All of you. All the students should join on time. Now, have you all taken out the notes? Notes is with you? Yes or no? Students? Good. Now, yesterday we have discussed the important points of writing the story. So, I have given you the important points that how to write a good story. There are several points that you should keep in your mind. Once again, I am repeating those points. All of you take out your notes. Now, I have given in the notes I have given what is story writing and what are the important points. I am going to read it for you all. So, when you are telling a story, try to tell it as simply and naturally as possible. Whenever students you are writing a story, you should be very simple and very natural. Now, the second point. Now, Hitanshi, Hitanshi Pal. Good morning, all of you. Good morning, students. Good morning, all of you. Students, join on time. Don't be late. Now, Now the next point, you must have a clear, see all of you your notes. Students be on time. Students mute yourself. Beta, I have given you yesterday in the snap homework. You all can copy down from there. Vian, I have given the homework yesterday itself. Now, you must have a clear idea of you must have a clear idea of the various incidents of the story in your mind before you begin to write. Means whatever you are writing, you should have a clear cut idea of the, you can say, about your story, that your story is about what topic, what are, who are the characters of the story. Now, if you are given an outline, you remember students, yesterday I have given you an outline. I have given you an outline of a story. I will discuss the story with you all. Now, you should read the outline carefully because on the basis of the outline, you have to frame the story. You have to write down the story. Now, note down all the points. Keep as far as possible the order in which the outline is given. You should keep the order. You should keep the same order. Is it clear? Now, then make a start. You all know that starting of any writing section, of any writing skill is very much important. Then the next point is you have to arrange the points. The next point, see in your notes, arrange the points. Now, you may introduce the dialogues. Students, start your video. Arul Vats, Soumya Kumari, Ishanvi, all of you start your video. Yes. Arul, are you sleeping? Arul, sit properly. All of you should sit straight. Now, the next point is the conclusion part. The conclusion or the climax or the ending part of the story is very much important. So you should always keep in mind that it should grab the attention of the readers. Now, the next point is revise what you have written. Why? Because if you will do the revision, because if you will do the revision, what will happen? That you will avoid the spelling mistakes, the grammatical errors and punctuations error. Now, the last point, you have to give a suitable title. You have to give a suitable title of the story. Students, mute yourself. Ishika, Gyanendra, Ayush Kumar, Nyasa Kumari. All of you mute yourself and start your video. Now, have you all understood till here? Have you understood till here, all of you? Now, the next point is I have given you yesterday an outline. Hitanshi, have you copied down the notes? Hitanshi Pal of 6D, unmute yourself. Yes, Hitanshi, have you copied down the notes from Snap app homework? Half is left. Anybody who has copied down the full notes? Who? Kritika? Kritika, have you done it? Yes. Okay. That's very good, beta. Now, Kritika, unmute yourself. Kritika, Patri of 6D. Yes, Kritika, open your notes. You are very late. Anmol Kumar of 6C, Angel of 6D, be on time. Sachin, mute yourself. Sachin Kumar of 6D, mute yourself. Gyanendra, Angel, mute yourself. Sachin Kumar. Now, Kritika, now I won't allow the students. If you are late, I will not allow. Prakhar Prakash Dubey, why are you so late? Prakhar, yes, Kritika, let me see you on the screen. Kritika, start reading the outline. Yes, read the outline. Correct. Good. Now, Bhavya of 6E, have you written the whole story? Bhavya, unmute yourself. No. Okay, mute yourself. Rishika of 6C, unmute yourself, Rishika. Rishika, you have written the story? See, 1 minute. Okay, very good. Students, all of you listen. So, just now Kritika, she read the outline of the story. Let me explain first of all what is an outline. Outline is not the full story. Some important points or you can say hints are given and then you have to read the whole outline and you have to frame the story. Like what is the outline given here? All of you see the outline? The mice very unhappy. The cat killed many of them. Held a meeting to discuss how to get rid of the cat. Various suggestions. No plan practicable. Then a young mouse suggested that a bell should be tied round the cat's neck. All welcomed the proposal with joy, and Old Mouse stood up, asked who was going to tie the bell round the cat's neck. Now, this is the whole outline, and on the basis of this outline, first of all, you have to think a suitable title, that what should be the title of this story. Then you should proceed with the expanded form of the story. All of you take out the story. Rishika, read the story now. Unmute yourself. Yes, read. I think so all of you have read this story. It's a very famous story. Now, yes, then wait. From whose background this voice is coming? Say Sachin to mute himself. Sachin, mute yourself. Students, this whole class is being recorded. And imagine the recording, the background noise will be also there. And will it look decent? Kindly mute yourself. Only the speaker who is reading the story will unmute. Yes, Rishika, continue. Rishika, continue. Admirable. It is admirable. Rishika, pronounce it clearly. Yes, admirable. Been listening, move forward. See, the last sentence is no one came forward to say that he would. Now, Doyle, you are very late. Doyle, you are very late. I am not speaking on any page number. Yesterday, I have sent one story and the outline of the story writing. And just for the understanding sake, I have given the outline. And see, you have to read the outline, you have to understand the points and the hints, and then you have to frame the story. Then I can hear some background noise. Why? Students, now I am explaining the whole story. Be careful, all of you. Listen the story properly. Doyle Prabha, just unmute yourself. Doyle, is she here? She is not here. Prateek Kumar Roy. Prateek, are you there? Then start your video. Yes, Pratap, are you understanding? Pratap, unmute yourself. Pratap, unmute yourself. Yes, Pratap, have you understood the outline of the story? Now, all of you, just listen the story. So, what is the name of the story? It is Belling the Cat. It is Belling the Cat. I hope you all must have read this story. Now, in a certain house which was infested with mice, the cat found easy prey. You know, cat love mice. You all know that cat loves mice, isn't it? Are you able to hear my voice? Ayatul and Alvina. Now, the cat found easy prey, full stop. The mice were very unhappy. So, the plural of mouse is mice. The cat killed so many of them that they were all in great fear. At last, they held a meeting to discuss how they could rid of the nasty cat. Means the cat was having a very notorious reputation. Alvina of 6C. I am able to view you on the screen. Right now, what you were doing, it is not allowed in the class. If you don't want to attend the class, you can leave the classroom. Now, in a certain house which was infested with mice, the cat found easy prey. The mice were very unhappy. The cat killed so many of them that they were all in great fear. At last, they held a meeting to discuss how they could get rid of the nasty cat. Nasty means nasty. Nasty means notorious, means having an evil reputation. Now, one mouse said this, one mouse said this, another said that, but none of the plans was of any use. Then a young mouse stood up and said, the best thing we can do, the best thing we can do is to, yes, one mouse said this, another said that, but none of the plans was of any use. Then a young mouse stood up and said, the best thing we can do is to tie a bell round the cat's neck. Then when the cat comes, we will hear the bell and get out of the way. All the mice shouted, "Good, admirable, simple, easy." Then all thought it was a very good plan indeed. But now an old mouse, who had all the while been listening to the proposals quietly, stood up and said, "Yes, it is a very good plan." Means the plan is very good, but no doubt, but who will tie the bell round the cat's neck? बिल्ली के गले में घंटी कौन बांधेगा? So this is the meaning. No one came forward to say that he would. And with this the story ends. So students, what you have to do actually, that you have to read the outline carefully and then you have to form the story. Have you understood? You should keep the sentences short, simple and natural. Now all of you take down the homework. All of you take down the homework I am giving. You have to write down the story. Shravya Prakash, what problem you have? All of you take out your, just you write down in your writing skill notebook only. Homework, question number 1. Write down and develop the following outlines. Write down, develop, develop, develop the following outlines into develop the following following out following outlines. 2 homework I am going to give you. Outlines, outlines, outlines into connected stories, into connected stories. Into. Now, so I am giving you the outline. Write down all of you. And old man. From where the sound is coming? Students, mute yourself. And old man hyphen, yes, and old man, old man, and old man. Oh my god, it is an old man. Written. Have you written? Now, hyphen, put hyphen. Then write down had 5 sons. Had 5 sons. Yes, Sachin, it is an old man. Had five, F-I-V-E, five sons, S-O-N-S, sons. Hyphen. Put hyphen. Have you done? Now, put hyphen. Now, write down quarrelsome. Quarrel, quarrel, some, some, quarrelsome. Then put hyphen. Quarrelsome means the sons of the old man were always fighting. Quarrelsome. Written, all of you? Have you written? Again put hyphen. Again put hyphen. Was very much pained. Was, W-A-S, was very much pained. P-A-I-N-E-D, pained. To see this. What? Yes. Pained. To see. Had 5 sons, hyphen, quarrelsome, Quarrelsome, quarrelsome. See students, I will send the homework on Snap and WhatsApp also. So just now listen what I am saying you. If you have missed the words, then leave space for that word. Now, have you all written? Was very much pained to see this. Put hyphen. All of you put hyphen. Pained. P-A-I-N-E-D. Pained to see this. To see this. T-H-I-S, this. Again put hyphen. Advised them. Advised. A-D-V-I-S-E-D. Advised. Advised them many a time. Many a time. Written, all of you? To live together peacefully. To live together peacefully. To live together peacefully. Now,